They sound cheesy as they appear incredulous, but nothing about the latest discovery of outrageous and funny sounding names submitted by the Office of the Vice President in its trove of acknowledgement receipts is petty or trivial. Instead, it has provided the House prosecutorial panel in the impending impeachment trial more ammunition to prove its case. The Vice President knew or had a hand in the scheme to defraud the government of tens or even hundreds of millions in confidential and intelligence funds over the last 2 years, as we hear more from our Mela Lismoras.
Amoy Liu, Fernan Amoy, and Jug de Asim. These were the new names discovered by the House of Representatives from the acknowledgement receipts of Vice President Sara Duterte's millions of pesos in confidential funds from 2022 to 2023. House Deputy Majority Leader Paulo Ortega even dubbed them as the so-called Team Amoy Asim. Although it may sound funny, the congressman expressed his dismay. The list of suspicious names who allegedly received the Vice President's confidential funds has kept on growing. What's even worse is, once again, the allegedly new members of the Budol Gang have no records in the Philippine Statistics Authority database.
Galing po ito sa sa listahan naman ng DepEd. So, as confirmed by yung PSA po, same situation po sila. Walang birth certificate, walang marriage, saka wala rin pong death certificate. So, kitang-kita po natin na yung pattern is the same. Pareha po yung sitwasyon nung Mary Grace Piatos, si Miggy Mango, si Jay Camote, saka yung mga iba pong pangalan.
This issue has also reached Malacanang, and they believe the Vice President should provide an explanation.
VP Sara has the obligation to tell something about this, to tell something about these discoveries. Marami na po ang naglilipa na patungkol sa mga peking resibo na di umano na issue po ng opisina po ni VP Sara. So, mas mabuti po, sinasabi naman po niya na dapat po tayo ay may transparency. Mas maganda po na mauna po siya na ipaliwanag ito.
Earlier, VP Sara has insisted there were no irregularities in her use of confidential funds, but the lower house still continues its investigation into the matter as part of its preparations for the Vice President's impeachment trial. For Ortega, the newly gathered evidence is significant to strengthening their case. From PTV, Mela Lismoras, Balitang Pambansa.